Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Jeanette R. Celeste, 39 years old. I am married and I have one son, 14 years old. My husband's name is Dante B. Celeste, 46 years old. We live in Anda, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a Christian and I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, playing with the kids, singing, and dancing. I am a first timer of working abroad, but I have a long time experience as a housemaid since March 10, 2017 to March 10, 2026. My employer's family members are four: two adults, one baby, one children. My main duties for babies are feeding his milk, bathing, changing his clothes and diapers, give vitamins and medicine if needed, and give my full-time attention and put the baby to sleep. My main duties for children are preparing his food, bathing, changing his clothes, give vitamins and medicine if needed, preparing his snack before going to school, preparing his bags before going to school, send and pick them from school, tutoring, playing with him, and give my full time and attention. I also do a household chores like cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, feed the dog, bathing the dog, clean their cage, and gardening. Madam and sir, if you will hire me, I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract and I will stay as long as you need me. I will follow your rules and regulations. I am trustworthy, hardworking, patient with your children, and I will treat them like my own child. Thank you, Madam and Sir, and God bless.